हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल करिश्मास क्लासेस। इस बार मैं जो वीडियो लेके आई हूँ ये वीडियो है मेनली आई से रिलेटेड जो भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं उन सब के लिए हैं। जो भी स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो उनके लिए ये वीडियो बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होगा, इसलिए इस वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखना। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर ज़रूर कर देना। तो इस वीडियो में we'll see in this video that how we can solve the arithmetic ability related questions. If there is any type of the questions that is coming in the exam and how we can solve that questions, we will see that in this video. So be till the end of the video. So in this video we will see different types of patterns that mainly that patterns come into the exam. The how we can solve that different patterns related questions and how we can identify that questions, how we can solve that questions without wasting our time. So let's get started. See, first of all, whenever we are getting this type of questions like arithmetic ability, so we have to write on a paper like this ABCD till Z, and then we have to write the reverse of this ABCD. We have to write the numbers of this ABCD, so that it will be helpful for us to quickly identify the questions. Which type of questions is this? How we can solve that questions? It will be helpful for us that. See, here I wrote this is the inverse of the ABCD. And here we wrote the numbers of the ABCD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I will show you how we can solve the questions using this. So let's get started. See, now this is our first question. In a certain code language, the Denmark is coded as FCP, KCPM. Find the code for the Singapore. In that they will give us 4 options. Like these are the 4 options like U, G, P, E, C, N, Q, P, G. See, all the options are almost same, but in that most of the characters are different. So we have to find which option that will be the correct option for this question. So let's get started. First we'll see for the Denmark how Denmark has been coded. D, E, N, M, A, R, K. Okay. Now what is the code? Here it is F, C, P, K, C, P, M. This is the code. Now let's see this code, how we got these values. This is D and this is F. So let's see here in this table. See, after D it is F means plus 2. D plus 2 it is F means 4 plus 2 it is 6. So here we got plus 2. Okay. Now next it is E. So E and C means it is minus 2. 5 minus 2 it is 3. So here what we got is, here we got minus 2. Next it is N and P. Now see in this table, this is N and this is P, means here it is plus 2. 14 plus 2 it is 16. So what we find here, it's plus 2 and minus 2. It is plus 2 and minus 3. Like C, M, K, L, M means it is minus 2. So here it is minus 2. Now A, B, C. So here it is plus 2. Now here it is minus 2 and here it is plus 2. Now we got the code, like how they coded that word. So we can code the Singapore as the same way. Singapore. See, now S. Now if S plus 2 it is U. I minus 2 it is G. N plus 2 it is P. G minus 2 it is E. Now A plus 2 C. P minus 2 N. Now O plus 2 Q. R minus 2 it is P, and E plus 2 it is G. So what answer we got? U, G, P, E, C, N, Q, P, G. Now see the options. Option first, it's the correct option. So in this question we solve it easily. How we can find the code, how they are coded. Let's see the another question. See, our next question is, if the word impact is coded as R and K, Z, O, X, G, then which of the following represents the code for a word descend? Okay, so now what he is saying, the word impact it's coded as R and K, Z, O, X, G. So now C, impact means I. So first we'll see here impact I and R it is. So we'll see here, if we'll say first to the numbers, so I and R means it has too much difference. From I to R it has too much difference. But if we see in the reverse values, what we are getting I, its reverse is R. Next we are seeing the value M, its reverse is N. P reverse is K. A reverse is Z. C's reverse is X. So now let's see the answer. It is same. So what it is the reverse of the values. See, for impact it is I reverse R, M reverse N, P reverse K, A reverse Z, C reverse X and T reverse G. Okay. So now for the next value, for the descent value, how we will get the answer? This is descent. So let's see here what is the descent reverse is W, E reverse is V, C reverse is X. No, it is S reverse is, where is S? S reverse is H. Next C reverse is X. Here C reverse is X. E reverse is V. N reverse is M and D reverse is W. So here how we found the answer. It was only the reverse question. We have to find like that. If we will have the table like ABCD table like this, if we will create in the exam and we'll keep it with us, then it will be easy for us to quickly find out the question and the answers. So next go to the another question. We have another question. This question is related to if E stands for plus, F stands for minus, M stands for multiply, N stands for divide, then 19M5E 39N3F8 that will be. Now what it means? Now it is saying E means a plus. Okay, first he said 19M. So here we have the value 19. M means M stands for multiply, means 19 multiply. Now 5. Then we have the value E. Now here E stands for plus, means it is plus. Next value is 39. 39N means 39. N stands for divide. So here we will add divide. Next is 3. Next it is F. Here what we got for F value, F that stands for minus. So here we will add minus and then 8. Now if we will solve this question, then what answer we are getting? We are getting the answer 100. So here the 100 is the answer and from option we will choose the option second. So see how this is simple. In this only they gave us some idea like which word stands for which sign, which addition sign, which subtraction sign, and we added that to this value and we found the answer. So how easy this question is. Let's see another question. This is another question. Let's see this question. In the given word lavishly, if all the consonants replaced with its previous letter, means all the consonant means see vowels is A, E, I, O, U. Now except these vowels, all the letters are known as consonants. Okay, so what he's saying, we will replace the consonants with its previous letter. Means if it will be C, then its previous letter that will be B. We will replace it with B. Next, all the vowels replaced with the next letter. Means if it will be A, we will replace it with E. If it will be I, we will replace it with O, like that. After that, remove all the repeated letters. Now if there are unrepeated letters, we have to remove that one and arrange them in alphabetical order. Then which of the following letter that will be third from the left end? Means this is the word lavishly. We'll use this word like Lavishly. We'll write the vowels here. Now first we'll see L. L's previous letter is K. A's next letter is B. V's next letter is U. Previous letter is U. I next letter is J. S next previous letter is R. H previous letter is G. L previous letter is K and Y's previous letter is X. So we repeated it here. Now it's saying from the left end what is the third, which of the following letter is the third from the left end. Means from the left hand means from here we'll see 1, 2, 3. Means this J, 1, 2, 3. What is saying? Arrange them in the alphabetical order. If we will arrange these letters in the alphabetical order like, see, if we will arrange it in the alphabetical order like it is B, G, J, K, R, U, X. This is we have arranged the alphabetical order. Now from the left end we are seeing it is the J letter that is coming to the third position. So we'll write the answer J. So see how simple it is. We have to understand the question, what it's saying in the question, and we have to solve the question. So now let's see another question. Then the question that is, how many meaningful words that can be formed with the first, third, seventh and the ninth letter of the word separation, using each letter only once in the each word. Means this is the word separation. This is the word separation. Now it's saying from the first, this is the first letter. From the third, this is the third letter. Seventh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 means this is the seventh letter. And ninth, 8, 9, ninth letter means this is O. Now using these letters like S, P, T and O, how many words we can make, and in that only each letter should be used only once. Okay, using each letter only once in the each word. So if we are making the words from this, like it can be spot, it can be pots, stop, post, opt and tops. In this we have to apply our logic, like how many words we can found or how many words we can make from that, and we have to answer the question like more than 4. Okay guys, then thanks for watching my video. In this video we only solved the 4 questions, but in the next video we will try to solve more questions of different patterns so that we can easily clear our competitive exams questions. Thanks for watching my video.